Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip, and today we want to continue on our geometry. Now we want to start with theorems of an angle. There are principles and laws that governs an angles. Now we want to start step by step on those principles. Now we start with theorem 1. Theorem 1. Theorem 1. Theorem 1 says sum of angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees. Automatically, when we have a straight line and we have different angles on that straight line, if this angle is known as A, if this is known as B, this is known as C, the principle says all the angles on that straight line, when they are added together, it gives us 180 degrees. Why? Because all the sum of angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees. Okay, now let's do an example and see how we can apply this kind of theorem or principle. Example. If you are given this diagram, if you are given this kind of diagram, if you call this place M, they call this place N, they call this place R, and we are given that in the diagram, if the question says in the diagram, M plus N equals to 120 degrees and N plus R equals to 100 degrees, find M plus R. Find M plus R. How do we go? We know solution. We know that all the sum of angles on this straight line will be equals to 180 degrees. That means M plus N plus R equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because sum of angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees. And don't forget, we have been given that M plus N equals to 120 degrees and my N plus R equals to 100 degrees. So let's start. So if I substitute my M plus N into this equation, if I substitute my M plus N, that shows my M plus N, which is 120, I will have 120 degrees plus R equals to 180 degrees. So my R equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is equivalent to 60 degrees. That shows my R equals to 60 degrees. If I use this same equation and substitute my N plus R equals to 100, if I substitute N plus R, so we have M plus N plus R equals to 180 degrees. So this one that is given to be 100 degrees, we have M plus 100 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So my M equals to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So my M equals to 80 degrees. We're not asked to find M. We're not asked to find R. We're asked to find M plus R. Therefore, my M plus R equals to, what is my M? 80 degrees. What is my R? My R is 60 degrees, which is equals to 140 degrees. Okay? If you understand this, please kindly like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.